In embedded systems, we can design various applications using assembly language and high-level languages. Assembly language depends upon the processor instructions we can design, whereas high-level languages depends upon the tool we are using in that processing element. The assembly language instruction format contains four parameters. First, label. Label indicating the naming convention of the group of instructions. For repeated instructions, we can use labels in the program. Next, opcode indicating the specific operation, or it is also called operational code, either adding, subtracting, arithmetic, logical operations like that. Operands are used to perform the operation. You can use different registers, memory locations, and immediate values in the instruction. Comments describing the instruction, what we are doing, either moving the content from one register to another register, or loading the register content, or performing the addition operation, whatever you want. Next, addressing modes. TM4C family contains 5 addressing modes. Addressing mode means the way of specifying the data to be operated by the instruction or opcode is called addressing mode. First, immediate addressing mode. Here, immediate value is the part of the instruction. The operand is given in the instruction itself. Example, move R0 comma hash 0x1234. This is a hash indicating this number indicating the immediate value. So here we are moving this immediate value into the R0 register. In this instruction, first we are subtracting the immediate value 1 from the register R1 content and store the result into the R0 register. Next, register addressing mode. Here register is the part of the instruction. Means here whatever the register we are using, the register content is copying into the another register. Means R2 register content is copying into R1 register. Here first subtracting R2 register content from R1 register content and store the result into the R0 register. Like that, registers are the part of the instruction in this type of addressing mode. Next, register indirect addressing mode. Here we are using memory locations in the register. The register content indicating the memory locations we are using in the instruction. First here, so R2 register contains the address of the desired data. So by using this instruction, LDR means load register content. Means here loading R1 register with the content of the R2 register memory location. So R2 register contains the address of the desired data. That desired data is moving into the or loading into the R1 register. Similarly, add R1 with the data pointed by R2 and store result into the R0 register. Next, PC relative addressing mode. So relative means we can get the desired data address by adding the program counter content. Here PC relative addressing is indexed addressing mode using program counter as the pointer. So B indicates branch. So that branch is directly jumping into the location, whatever the location we want to jump. Here, whenever 0 flag equal to 1, this branch jump into the particular loop. Next, index addressing mode. It is also called register relative addressing. So the desired data memory location is generated by adding the register contents. So the effective address of the data is generated by adding the register and offset. So here three types of index addressing modes are available. First, pre-indexed addressing mode. Pre-indexing sense, first this register R2 adding with immediate value 4, that indicating the address of the desired data. Then that desired data is moving into the R1 register. Similarly, here R1 with data pointed by R2 plus R3. Next, pre-indexed addressing mode with write back means similar to previous operation, means loading the register R1 with R2 plus 4, then after performing that one, R2 is updated to R2 plus this immediate value or register content. Similarly here, load R1 with data pointed by R2 plus R3, and then R2 is updated to R2 plus R3. Next, post index addressing mode. Here first load R1 with data pointed by R2, means this R2 contains the desired data address. That desired data is moving into the R1 register. Then R2 is updated to the R2 plus 4. Similarly, load register R1 with the data pointed by R2, and then R2 is updated to R2 plus R3. So these are the different addressing modes available in the TM4C family.